An induction cooktop uses magnetic currents to provide heat, making it more efficient, convenient, and precise than a traditional electric cooktop. There are many products available to choose induction cooktops, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best induction cooktops from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Empava 30-inch Electric Stove Induction Cooktop. An induction cooktop will elevate your culinary routine, but it doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. The Empava EMPVI DC30 has a reputation for being a solid budget induction cooktop. It covers all the bases by providing you with 4 burners ranging from 1,800 to 2,700 watts. There are 9 heat level adjustments, accessible on the digital control pad. Like all induction cooktops, this version from Empava features a smooth glass surface that promises simpler kitchen cleanup. While all the elements are the same size, each one has a pan size sensor to heat the element according to the size of your pots and pans. You'll sacrifice the flexibility of having a 5th element or sinking burners when you buy this affordable model, but most people find that it fits their needs for everyday cooking tasks. A common complaint is that this induction cooktop is noisy. In many cases, this can be attributed to the cookware itself. Number 2. Frigidaire FGIC 3066TB Gallery 30. For an induction cooktop that makes the most of 30 inches of cooking space, choose the Frigidaire Gallery GCCI 3067AB. This 4-element cooktop is popular for offering the option to bridge to 2,600-watt elements. It also features a pair of 3,600-watt elements for more heating power. In addition, this cooktop has temp lock technology to hold a steady cooking temperature, reducing the chance of overcooking or undercooking your meal. There's no 5th element, but the other features of this 30 inches induction cooktop more than make up for the lack of an additional cooking element. Similar to many other induction cooktops, you'll use a digital control pad to operate each element. The display is slightly less intuitive than some other models, but you control each element individually, which helps to clear up any confusion. In addition, responsive cooktop indicator lights illuminate when a pan is placed on an element. Number 3. ZLINE 24N. Induction Cooktop. For compact kitchens, a 24 inches induction cooktop, like the ZLINE RCIN D24, saves space while offering you the perks of induction cooking. We recommend this model for a small induction cooktop because it's equipped with 4 elements for your meal prep needs, while also offering a power boost mode for when you need high heat in a hurry. The ZLINE RCIN D24 has a simple touchscreen interface with minimal buttons to learn. Each element is controlled individually, with automatic power level control, along with the power boost option. Each pair of burners is controlled by a single inverter, which means that this cooktop uses power sharing to balance the wattage between the 2 elements. The user manual recommends you set the power level of the higher priority element last, if you're using both elements on the same side of the cooktop. Number 4. Empava Electric Stove Induction Cooktop Vertical. The Empava EMPID12 is a popular choice for a 2-burner induction cooktop. This space-saving choice has a vertical orientation, measuring about 13 inches from side to side and 20.5 inches from front to back. It's good for tight areas where countertop space is limited, or if you want to maximize the work area on either side of your cooktop. A pair of elements can be adjusted to deliver cooking heat ranging from 100 watts for a slow simmer to 1,800 watts for higher heat cooking tasks. Keep in mind that when used simultaneously, the wattage of both elements will not exceed 1,800 watts combined. In addition, the 2 elements are situated close to one another, meaning you may not be able to fit 2 large pans on the cooktop at the same time. A timer feature gives you the ability to set cooking time from 1 to 99 minutes. When the timer elapses, the element will automatically shut off. Number 5. NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. A portable induction cooktop gives you the option of preparing and heating foods quickly no matter where you are. The new Wave Flex Precision is our recommendation for an induction cooktop that needs no installation. Instead, you plug this single element option into a standard outlet. It's great for use in RVs, apartments, tiny homes, or any kitchen that could use an additional element for cooking tasks. Klein adds that a portable induction burner provides an extension of your kitchen. There are 45 possible temperature settings, rather than the typical 9 heat settings you find on other basic induction cooktops, portable or not. Another feature worth noting is the option to adjust the wattage of this portable induction cooktop. Choose from 600, 900, or 1,300 watts of power. At 1,300 watts, the maximum wattage of this induction element is lower than what you'll find in a conventional induction cooktop for installation. However, it's plenty powerful for most basic cooking tasks, especially considering the 10 inches diameter of the element. Keep in mind that this will limit how large of a pot or pan you can effectively use on this portable induction cooktop, though. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.